In this video, I'll show you how to fix GTA 4 Social Club error code 4 and get the game working again in 2026. Check my video description for this mod link. You need to select the download option and download this mod. Scroll down. You can able to see extract and copy everything to Social Club folder. Here is the path. Navigate to this path. C drive program files x86 Rockstar Games Social Club. Once you are in this location, go to the mod folder, right click on the fix mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Select all these files, drag and drop inside the social club folder, guys. Once you done this, your error code 4 will be fixed. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.